The story behind viral sounds. This sound is known as the Nokia tune, but it actually comes from a classical guitar piece called Gran Vals, composed by Francisco Tárrega in 1902. And this one comes from the song Butterfly by Smile.dk, a Swedish bubblegum dance group. The song became viral because it was preloaded onto millions of cheap Chinese toy phones and Barbie-style kids phones throughout the 2000s. This one is the ticking sound by a C4 from Counter-Strike Condition Zero.